Hi, before you select your research project option, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what each option is. And first, your first option is the research paper, and your second option is the research presentation. Let's talk a little bit more about the research paper. So, the research paper will need to be 5 paragraphs in length. It is in MLA format and it is in the format of a full sentence outline. You'll have to use all 3 sources that you were given in your topic guide, and this is the same for the presentation as well. So, um, the big thing is 5 paragraphs, full sentence outline. It's going to be the format in which you're presenting your information. So we will walk you through each step of writing or filling in this outline template that you'll receive during our 4 research paper workshops. So we'll walk you through each step of that. But let's look at what you are producing end game, end product. So you will be creating an outline or filling in an outline template that looks like this. So you can see it's filled out in complete sentences, but it's not in the paragraph format that we're used to seeing in essay. It looks more like an outline. You can see on my sample that I did not fill in body paragraphs 2 and 3. Obviously, you would do this on your completed version of this template. And then there's the conclusion and a works cited. So this is once you have this done, you have your research paper done. Again, we're just turning it in this outline format. And you can see if you look at the rubric that the content of the paper, there's a heavy emphasis on that. But the biggest emphasis here is on your in-text citations and your works cited page. So citing your sources properly, both in the outline itself and at the end, is where a lot of points do come from as well. All right, let's talk a little bit about the research presentation. So your other option is to take your research topic and present what you find out about it in the form of a presentation instead of a paper. So the presentation is a 3 to 5 minute video where you present a slideshow on your topic. So you'll be creating a slideshow that looks something like this. This is a lot shorter than yours would be because it just kind of gives a sample of each type of slide that you would create, but you'll kind of have visuals. You'll have visuals on your slides, and then you'll have some notes below the slides, and you'll be turning these in as well as your video so that we can see these notes as well as what you have on your slides. So you'll be doing things like putting the quotes that you're going to incorporate from your sources into the bottom and the notes part of your slide. And you can see on the slide that what's on the slide is mostly visual. There's not a lot of writing. So you'll be presenting this slideshow in a video where the slides are in the background and you're talking about them, and we can see your face in an embedded webcam. You'll be using either the app Screencastify or the app Loom to create this video. So that is your alternative to writing a paper, would be to create this video presentation that includes a slideshow that serves as a visual aid for the content you're presenting. So now you can go ahead and fill out this survey. Give me your name, your block, and tell me which one of these 2 project options you're wanting to do. Can't wait to see your project.